Hello friends, good morning to you all. Hope you're doing well in Jesus' name. So in this video, we are going to learn how to verify our email addresses of Digital Adverts Limited account. Okay, so after having opened your Digital Adverts Limited account like this one, you will simply tap in that red stuff. That red information saying that click here to verify your email. So you tap in it like I've tapped in it, then you wait for it to synchronize. It will get you this message that says that send verification link. Then you tap in send verification link. When you tap in send verification link, a message is going to be sent into your email application. Now I will close that Digital Adverts Limited page and then I open my email my mails, and the moment I open my mails here, there is a message that is coming from Digital Adverts Limited application. All right, it is here. So in this message they are telling me to do what? In this message they are telling me to verify that. Tap here to verify your email address. So I will tap there, right? Yes, you'd also tap there. The moment you tap there, you give it time to synchronize. Okay, you give it time to synchronize. So it is going to take me back to my page when the email is verified. So that is how basically we verify our email addresses after having registered to Digital Adverts Limited application. Okay, sorry about the network, it's a bit slow, but it is soon coming. Okay, let's give it time. Okay, like that. For example, guys, we are back now. The other red stuff which was there, it's no longer there. Okay, that means that you have verified, or I have verified my email address. Okay, I've verified my email. You see, it is like that. It should be like that after having verified. Thank you very much. Hope you've learned something great. Thank you. May God bless you.